bounce to the song, just put your body in motion. Check the record. Bounz stands from Sara-Jane. Brought to you exclusively with Sara-Jane. Bounce to it.
Ladies and fellas, come on, bounce to this song. Wave your hands in the air, let's do it all night long. Leave your troubles in the trouble zone. Party all night till the break of dawn. Jump on the dance floor, get your freak on. And all you gotta do is bounce to this song. Come on, bounce to this song.
Bounz status doing damage on your radio waves like a plague, stuck in your head for a couple of days. A couple more at this stage can handle the range. As we start the next chapter, resides on the page. My heart, mind, and soul, all laced as one. My process of protest, how I become, how I was blessed and stumble upon this evolving mic I rock upon. So come one, come more when it's time to bounce. Specifically Pacific, straight dirty south. A microphone controller entertaining the crowd. A full blooded someone representing ourselves. So come on everybody and bounce to this song. Cruising through up here, let's do it all night.
Ladies and fellas, come on, bounce to this song. Wave your hands in the air, let's do it all night long. Leave your troubles in the trouble zone. Party all night till the break of dawn. Jump on the dance floor, get your drink on. And all you gotta do is bounce to this song. Bounce to this song. Bounce to this song.
Bounce to the song, just put your body in motion. You wanna dance, baby, ask who you think you're provoking. I ain't joking, just trying to get you open. Stress free, let me get you on the dance floor. We so hot to be smoking. We say your heart's broken, but let me take you by the waist and replace your pain and stress on my finesse. Touching and stroking, we could be rolling vital status production. We be bumping, finally Pacific, we smoking world.
Going through the room, now it's time to move. I can see it in your eyes, I can read the clues. I'm digging your style, I can feel it now. Jump on the dance floor, now it's time to bounce.
Before I shake, y'all the booing on, man.
Sully, laat je stang af.